Welcome to Taylor Morrison. This video series is designed to make your Taylor Morrison homeowner experience even better. Just follow these easy do-it-yourself tips. They may help you save some valuable time and money. This is your toolkit to help you preserve your home and protect your investment. So let's dive in to some home care highlights. Protect and preserve your home like a pro. In this video, let's cover cabinetry. Here are some of the tools you'll need before we get started. A Phillips screwdriver and a small level are very handy tools to keep in a nearby kitchen drawer or in your utility or laundry room. Some oil-free lubricant and a cabinet touch-up kit may also be needed. We install the best quality cabinetry in every Taylor Morrison home. In the first few months of home ownership, some adjustments may be necessary once your cabinets have been engaged in repetitive use. Hinges and drawer pulls may become loose, resulting in uneven positioning. Cabinet hardware is designed to be easily adjusted with a quick turn of your Phillips screwdriver. Drawer pulls will just require a tight grip with one hand and a rotation or two of your screwdriver. Be careful not to adjust too tight, or you may strip the hardware or damage your wood. Examine your cabinet hinges. This hardware is sophisticated in its design, so that adjustments can be precise. Each screw has its purpose. Define which is a mounting screw and which is an adjustment screw. If your cabinet door is loose, then your mounting screw will need to be tightened. If your doors are not positioned or aligned properly, then an adjustment screw will need to be turned. Cabinet hinges can be lubricated regularly with an oil-free lubricant. The finish on your cabinets protects the surface from normal home use. Remove dust regularly with a damp cloth. Never use detergents or ammonia-based cleaners. A cabinet touch-up kit is typically provided to repair minor damage to your cabinets. Otherwise, touch-up materials can be purchased at your local hardware store.
Taylor Morrison.